In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Coinbase wallet address on the application. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Coinbase, and then what you want to do is you want to select on this option that says transfer, then go ahead and select on receive crypto. Now, what you want to do from here is you want to select on the cryptocurrency that you would like to receive. Keep in mind that each different coin has its own unique address, so you always want to pick the right one. In other words, you're going to have your own unique Bitcoin address, and you're also going to have your own unique Solana address, XRP, Ethereum, etc. You guys get the idea. So let's say for this example, we're working with Solana, and then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and find your crypto wallet address. So all you want to do is you want to press on copy. Now, whenever you're doing this, make sure you select on the right coin. So if you're going to receive Solana, make sure that you provide your Solana address. Otherwise, the transaction is not going to work and you could risk losing cryptocurrency. And please always double check that the network matches. For example, ETH on Ethereum versus ETH on Base. And by the way, your address is safe for share for receiving funds, but never share your 12-word recovery phrase. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.